Hey guys, it's Jules and welcome back to our YouTube channel. For this week, we're gonna have a different kind of video. As you can see from the title, we're gonna have a room makeover. Yay! So it's gonna be a two-part video and a separate part for the room tour. So don't forget to click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to get notified when we post those future videos. So yeah, for the first part of the video, I'm gonna show you how I cleaned out my room, and then I prep my wall for the paint, and then we're gonna do some first layer of painting. So those are the first 3 days of the room. I did all of my room in just 1 week. So yeah, props to me. For the second part, that's where we're gonna do all the painting and the redecoration of the room, like when we put back all of my stuff, or I put back all of my stuff. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Good morning guys! Today is November 2 and it's 10 o'clock in the morning, and I'm about to start cleaning up my room because it looks like a mess, because I'm gonna have my room renovation today. It starts today, so yeah, that's what's happening. So here's my room before I cleaned it. Here's my desk. I'm gonna change this up with another desk, and then here's my ceiling. I just got this fixed because rain comes out of it and it drips down the walls like that. And then here's my light. I just had this installed. I'm not gonna change it, it's gonna stay there. And then here's my side of the room, my exhaust fan and my spotlight. So this is dirty, so we're gonna change this whole thing. And then my spotlight is gonna stay there. And then here's my bed, and then a cat is sleeping here. Hi Esso, hello. And then here's my cabinet, and then some of my books are there. And here's some random stuff. And then here's my bags lying on the floor, and then my dirty clothes, and then my fan is also dirty. Oh my gosh. And that's it. Let's get on with the video. Look at this mess. So I'm done clearing up my cabinet. Ay, joke lang. Joke lang pala. Anyway, papatong ko lang naman doon sa isang lugar. So, lahat ng nakahanger. Pero yeah, that's gone. And the drawers are also empty. So, ayan yung ibang gamit sa bed. So, my plan is to remove everything. Oops. To remove everything from the drawers. And itong shelf din, i-clear ko. Lagay ko lahat sa sahig. And that's cat food. Tapos, saka ko siya i-compartmentalize. So, yeah.
One eternity later.
Hi guys! Sorry, ganito itsura ko. I'm in the middle of making my room more dirtier. So 12:07, 2 hours in the making. Ayan, dumami kalat sa sahig. Pero na-clear out ko na yung desk ko. Wala nang laman yung drawers. Ito rin, wala nang laman. And then yun din, wala nang laman. I'm just transferring all of my books sa labas. Dun sa box na yun. Yan. So box na yan, tinu-transfer ko to lahat. Para wala nang gamit dito sa loob ng room. Yeah, so I'll just continue doing what I'm doing. All the books are gone, and now I'm gonna transfer these boxes. All of these boxes outside. washed my face a little bit. So, update. Wala nang gamit dyan. Ito rin, wala nang gamit. Ito na lang. These things that I have to sort through, yung mga iiwan ko na room decor. So, I'll wipe them clean one by one. Tapos, lalagay ko dito yung mga mapipili kong may iwan. So, here is the room before renovation. Good morning guys! It's day 2 and I'm in Jenna's room kasi wala akong room ngayon. Update, ginagawa yung sa may exhaust fan kasi medyo nasira na yung wood doon. So, papalitan. Pinalitan na. And then yung roof? Ano ba tawag? Ceiling doon, inayos din. Kasi, hindi ko alam bakit, pero sinira siya. Anyway, ngayon punta kami sa CW to buy paint. Hindi ko muna sabihin yung color. Wow! Kasi hindi nyo alam. So, yun. Bibili akong paint. Makikita nyo lang mamaya kung anong paint bibili ko. Hi guys! So, it's 7 o'clock in the evening, day 2 to, and I have dirty hands already kasi, well, I have paint hands. Na-scrub ko na nga, hindi nyo nakita. I painted some of my furniture, like my table, and nagpagawa kasi ang window seat sa carpenter namin. Tapos lalagay siya doon. And I painted that white as well. And then, yung bookshelf ko na bago, pinagawa ko lang din. I painted that white as well. So, ang dami kong white paint sa kamay. Anyway, tapos na si Mang Jun, siya yung carpenter namin. Ginawa niya tong, minasilyahan niya yung wall kasi nagbabubbles yung paint last time. So, screen off niya yung paint, tapos minasilyahan niya. So, isa-sandpaper na lang siya. Tapos, ipapaint na namin dyan. We'll start that tonight. Nice na yung ito. Sandpaper lang din, tapos ipapaint. Yun. Pinalitan niya ng bagong wood. Kasi may butas na yung last time. So, tapos na kami mag-sandpaper ng walls. And ito yung result ng kwarto ko. Grabe, ang daming powder. Nakapagwalis na ako ng lagay na yan. Tutuloy namin bukas yung painting. And lalagyan pa ulit ng mga matawag doon, masilya yung mga natanggal na paint. Nakakapagod. So, anyway, pangit kasi yung pagkagawa sa wall ko in the first place. Kaya sobrang daming kailangan gawin para ma-prepare yung wall. Unlike nyo sa office ni Jenna, madali yung i-prepare. Anyway, liligo na ako, nangangatin ako. That's it for day 2. See you again tomorrow, guys. Good morning, guys. Today is day 3. I don't know what time it is, pero siguro mga 9 o'clock. And nandito na naman ako sa room ni Jen nagsa-start kasi, yun nga, magulo yung room ko. What I did was, I mopped the floors kasi nga puro dust yung sahig. And then, yun, pinapatuyo ko lang ngayon. Pero after niya matuyo, mag-start na tayo mag-retouch ng, ano yun? Anong tawag dun? Basta yung parang potty, yung Pang ganun. Basta yun. Tapos, after mag-retouch, ipapaint ko na siya. So, that's what's happening today. By the way, today is November 4. Hindi ko pala nasabi yung date. Yeah. Day 3! Just ate lunch. It's currently 1:11 p.m. and I finished putting, what do you call this? Masilya on the walls. So I just need to sandpaper them again para smooth. So yun. After nun, maybe I can start painting. I'm not yet sure. Hey. We'll see how it turns out.
Sometimes I want someone to hold my hand. Take me up, hold me close, be my man. I will love you till the end. So if you're out there, I swear to
guys, as you can see, na-rearrange na yung gamit ko. Ito na yung bed, by the door. Yan. Yun. Oh my god, I'm so tired. So, ang nagawa ko is, sorry about the noise. That's our dog. Oh my god, a cat. Bawal yung cats dito ngayon kasi out. Bawal yung cats dito ngayon kasi tinanggal ko na yung screen. Wala na yung screen para mas madali nang ma-paint yung side na to. Alam ko, sabi ko na magpa-paint na ako kanina, pero ayun, 5 o'clock na hindi pa rin ako nagpa-paint kasi nag-ayos ako ng masilya. You know, my wall is pretty ugly and it's so, ano mo yun, bako-bako. Pangit talaga yung paggagawa sa kanya. So yun, I had to like smoothen things out, ganon. So ayan. Nakalimutan ko lagyan ng masilya to para mas tumikit yung paint na maayos, pero YOLO. Ayun. So ngayon gonna start painting na talaga yung ceiling muna. So i-move ko yung cabinet para hindi ko siya matamaan ng paint. Yeah. Let's do this. Just a little update. I'm trying to paint the ceiling, but yung roller na to, hindi siya kasya dito sa stick. So, nagalaw-galaw siya. Hindi siya yung natutwist. So, I have to buy that pa tomorrow para mas madali mag-paint ng ceiling. For now, tatry ko muna i-paint yung mga sa baba lang para abot ko using just this, yung without the stick. So, that's what I'm gonna do now. change of plans, I really hate the roller. Nakakainis siya gamitin. So, I'm gonna buy one tomorrow. So, instead, tonight, I'll do my windows. Brush naman gamit dun, so okay lang. So, I just ate dinner and it's 7:30. Nakakita kami ng 9-inch roller instead of 6 na pwedeng ikabit dun sa ano. Pero, bukas na ako magsa-start sa walls kasi pagod na ako. Isang window pa lang natapos ko ngayon. Nasaan na? Ayan. This window pa lang na paint ko. Tapusin ko lahat ng windows. Tas bukas na lang yung iba. Yung walls. So, yun. Gawin natin yung windows. It's already 9 o'clock and I'm finally done with the windows and some parts of this wall. Like, inubos ko yung paint na nasa tray para maganda yung pag-keep sa kanya. So, na-wash ko na yung brush and yung roller brush. Tapos, ito yung tray. Okay lang yan kasi gagamitin ko pa naman bukas. Okay lang naka-expose. Ito paint, nakatakip na. And, usually, dapat lagyan siya ng plastic sa ilalim para hindi mahirap buksan. Ayan yung putty. So, yun. Bukas, I start with the ceiling and then the walls. That's the end of part 1. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to click the like button below if you liked it. And click the subscribe button so you can watch the part 2. So, see you guys in the next video. Bye!